Hey everybody, welcome to Ocala Garage. My name is Thomas, and today we put the body on the car. Normally I film an intro at the beginning of the video, but I just didn't do that today. So I filmed it real time. I will probably replay it real time. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I think maybe it took us 5 minutes. There was definitely some cracking and crunching and horrible sounds and some we don't know what the hell we're doing. And I mentioned, which you'll see here towards the end, but I mentioned that I have the back panels on, and I think that was fine, but it did cause a little bit of extra challenges. So anyhow, we got the body on the car today. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna not do an outro. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe, hit me up with comments, questions, thoughts, whatever. And we'll catch you on the next one. Be well. Just sit down for now. Alright, so not super heavy. So the way this has to go is when we come in, you guys at the front have to lift up. So it's got to kind of come up at a pretty severe angle this way, and then it's going to come down. And then comes the interesting part, where you're going to have to, the front of that, it's going to have to kind of be pulled out to come around the wider part of the car.
Do you think we're going to be able to tilt it up enough and not hit the garage door?
We should be able to. It doesn't need to be like...
You should start filming now.
It's already recording.
These are good questions. Okay.
It's already recording,
All
so
right.
it should be good.
I mean, I know it's up on blocks, but it would be easier to bring it out.
That's what I was thinking.
Probably not.
Okay.
We'll
'Cause we
try it
kinda-
this way, and
yeah.
then if we have to,
It's not super heavy. I don't think you guys feel like it's heavy, right?
No, it's not, that's not the issue. I'm just talking about the angle.
Yeah.
And getting it
like I
hooked
said,
on
just,
to...
it just needs to kind of, the front needs to clear this and then come down. So I think you'll get a feel for it when we get moving.
I think we might end up having to lift it straight up over it and then bring it down.
No, it doesn't work that way. It has to come in at an angle.
Angle, okay.
Because that panel has to come kind of...
Got it. Okay. All right. We will try our best, sir.
Okay. Bring it up. Yeah, you guys are plenty high, I think.
Okay.
All right, now you can probably start bringing it down. It'll sound terrible.
This side. Let's curve it back here a little.
Is it?
Yeah, needs to go over, pushed up on her side more. No, wrong way. You see what I'm saying? Like, we've got more space back here on your side than that side. So I
Yeah,
think
it's just because her side is actually all the way down already.
Alright, oh, stop. It's not there. It's not there. It's not where it's supposed to be.
This side needs
here.
to come forward.
Come here. Yes.
This side needs to come forward.
Okay. So, see how it's behind that?
Oh yeah. All right. So let's
Well,
go ahead and get on the front there. We're going to move this a couple inches forward
well, this is blocking it.
if we can.
This.
All right. So we got to
Is
come.
it, I have a question for you first, before we go through all this. Does this need to be sitting in front of this?
Yeah, I think it does. So we need to come back out.
Okay. Now this can part forward, back.
All right. You guys want me to go a little bit higher?
I can't.
All right. Hang on. Let me get on this side. All right. There we go. Now that, let's go a little.
got it. Alright, ready to you two? Pull it out. Okay.
A little forward.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Alright, hang on.
Pull it out towards you, not out by Rachel. Yeah. One more time. Right in front of her. She's got a little nub she's got to get over. Yep, right there. Got it. Still crooked, I know. But I can't see where it's caught. That's the one nice thing about back here is like you can see what's catching it.
Actually, we're pretty much where we're supposed to be.
Is this steel parts?
Yeah, I think.
That's terrible.
Oh, all right.
So almost pretty much straight. Yeah.
Yeah, we're there. We're there. It's on.
Yay! Oh.
Yeah, it's on pretty much where it's supposed to be.
Pretty much.
Minimal cracking and breakage.
That was awesome. That was like slightly terrifying though. Is that supposed to be meant like that?
So, all right, let's get the. So I think this would have been easier. So some people have discussed and said that you can have these side panels in when you put the body on, which obviously you can, but they got in the way of this section of the body here. So probably would have been easier to get the body on with the panels off, but probably harder to get the panels in with the body on. So those are the challenges.
That was worth it though. It was only a few minutes. That was like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, we've been recording for 7 minutes total.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
think that was totally worth it then.
Awesome. Yeah, everything is fitting pretty well. Not a ton of clearance over here with this thing, but
I was gonna say it looks slightly off still, like too tight on that side, but I can't tell what it's.
oh, it needs a ton of adjustment.
Yeah, it's not catching
All right.
this thing, is it?